Today I will show you how to cancel your Planet Fitness account online. Once signed in, you will be directed to your profile account here. This will contain all your information. On the right side, you will see where it says Membership Detail. Click on the word Manage right here. Now, that will take us to our membership page. It will display your current membership and any available upgrades. To the right of that, you will see where it says More Options. First, I want to let you know that while the cancellation button appears on my screen, you most likely will not have this option, which is why you are watching this video. Now, of course, this option is available. Go ahead and click it. If this option is not available, click on the transfer button to proceed. The reason is that almost every other state lacks the option to cancel online. What we want to do is click right here on transfer. Now, this will take you to the Transfer Your Home Club section. Go ahead and click right here where it says Continue to Transfer Membership. We will proceed and do that. That will take you to the map of the United States. Now, just go to the search bar here or zoom into one of these purple dots. You want to find any location in California. If you want to enter Riverside like I did and click Find Club, it will zoom us directly to California. You can either click any of these dots or select the next closest one. You can see we just changed the home club to this one right here. We do not live in California. You will see something like this where you can click on Select Club and proceed through the process to choose that club. Next, we will return to the main page of the Planet Fitness account. That will take you back to your profile account once you log in again. Then we will click here again where it says Manage. Now that brings us back to our memberships. Under More Options, you should now see the new choice to cancel your Planet Fitness account. Let's go ahead and click on this. From here, it will ask you why you are leaving. There are a couple you must fill out, like the first and third questions, but you can skip the second and fourth. Once completed, click on Continue. Then this section will pop up asking if you want to temporarily freeze. But after reviewing it, I will click down here where it says No thanks, I still want to cancel. Because they excel at this, they include an extra step here for reviewing. At the very bottom, right here, it says Cancel Membership. Let's click on this. Finally, just like that, we can cancel our Planet Fitness online.